What's the meaning of confectionery? Confectionery. Confectionery.
Confectionery. Confectionery. Confectionery refers to sweet food items that are typically made with sugar, honey, or other sweeteners. These include candies, chocolates, pastries, and other dessert items. Confectionery craftsmen often use a variety of techniques like tempering, molding, and sculpting to create intricate and beautiful designs. It is also possible to find confectionery items that are tailored for special dietary needs, such as vegan or gluten-free options. In general, confectionery is associated with indulgence, celebration, and an overall sense of delight.